Let's see kung he got the right one. Let me see. No, this is different one again.
Because the other one,
But he doesn't divorce me. He stay with me because why? Because
I
why?
got lots and lots of patience.
Because you don't love me.
I got lots of patience. Happen to get the dropout.
Okay, please be careful.
Yeah. Good morning, Philippines!
Happy Dada give you something? Because you eat your din-din. Good morning. Good morning, everything. Dada give me some bones. Because I eat my din-din, guys. I'm a good girl. I'm a Roxy good girl because I eat my din-din. This is because this one is from Costco, guys. You know, Dada bought it for us. We are so special. We are so special. Dada went to Costco and doesn't forget us. He knows we love this kind of bones. Oh yeah. This is what happened when you eat your din-din. When I eat my breakfast, guys, Dada give me something. That's the price of eating our breakfast. It's a price of eating our breakfast.
Yeah.
You get the anuhan, the milk bone. No? Say good morning, everything.
Morning, everything.
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. My head is killing me still. Hindi siya, guys, hindi siya headache. Yeah. But anyway, masakit pa rin yung ulo ko. Good morning. At saka magbihis tayo sa taas kasi punta tayo sa labas kasi nakakatawa yung mixture ng ano natin. Pajama. Kasi yung isa kasi sobrang taas kasi. I've been calling you, you know. Mama ate the breakfast and then you don't even come. You know that? I've been having our breakfast, the bread you like. I have it and then you don't even come. So now I'm done. So there's nothing for you. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam, guys. I don't wanna take any medication for my pain, yung sa pressure. Hindi ito headache kasi pressure sa ulo ko at saka sa mata. Yung pressure niya ay sobrang sakit. Good morning! Good morning, guys. So ngayon, nakabihis na ako. Naghintay lang ako kay Tami. Nagsishower pa siya. Nagta-transfer lang ako ng mga clips, guys. Ang dami. Ang ulo ko, grabe. Sumabog na to. Sobrang sakit. Tami doesn't understand the baby cry like this. Oh, ha! Oh, ha! Oh, ha! Oh, ha! I want him to listen.
You're crying, come to Hawaii. Aloha! Aloha!
Okay. Baby cry. Okay?
Let me see what it says. What? No.
Like that.
No, not no.
Look.
When you hear that drop, that's him catching his breath.
That's the one.
He's running out of air. He doesn't say No.
Like that. When did you learn? That's the problem. You don't have a baby. You don't even know. Tumaas na yung buhok ko. I mean, hindi naman sobrang taas. We're going to get some meds. What is that medication, that oil thing Tommy want to get? Oregano oil. And also we have to pick up some broccoli wrap, egg, butter. That's it. That's it. Huh? Hello, everything. Tommy want to use you. Tommy wants to use you. He said, you have a camera in the window, but you don't really use it. So now it's on, and he's not talking.
Because I'm not the one using it. You're the one using it. You like make such a big deal. Oh, we can't go nowhere until I get this all set up. But then you don't leave the camera off. So that when we get there, you'll take it off. Put it in your pocket.
Okay, guys. Andito na si Mister. So let's see kung he got the right one. Let me see. Different one again.
Because the other one is from GNC. It's a GNC brand. I can sell GNC. I asked this guy.
How do you know that this is not the same?
I asked the guy. He had two different ones.
Okay.
The thing I don't like, it doesn't have the eyedropper, so we have to use the other eyedropper.
Okay.
I says, he says, well, he goes, from what customers tell me, he goes, this is the less harsh one.
Yeah.
He says, of course, the more harsh one, the one burns your throat out. He says the one is better for you. But I says, yeah, but I can't get my wife to take it, so I'm looking for the one that's less harsh. And he says, well, you know, it goes from person to person. He goes, well, what the customers tell me, this is the one you want. I said, okay.
They're the same, right?
Well, I only got 2 because I would have just got one to try it.
Yeah.
But if you buy one, you get half off on the other one. So,
How much?
it costs like $30 for the 2 of them. Which is,
Yeah. It's expensive.
well, GNC
Guys,
is 30. GNC is $30 for one.
Expensive, guys. Oh. Certified organic, original.
Yeah, well, hopefully it's something you'll take, but it may not be.
Nice car. Right? What is it? What is it?
Maserati?
Yeah, it's a nice
It's
car.
like one, right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Why they said you cannot enter over there? So
Get into there. Anyway.
Applebee's gasoline station?
Who?
This is Applebee's gasoline station.
Gasoline station is a gasoline speedway. Applebee's is the restaurant next door.
Okay, what the heck? Applebee gasoline station, what the heck? Oh, motorcycle, Hana. RV. Oh, Harley. It's not Harley. Harley is different. Hello guys. So ngayon, ano ba to? Tawagan natin nga itong si Sis Lisa. Yung, hi Sis Lisa, tinatawagan po kita para kung ano yung, kasi nagtataka ako baka wala kang load or something. Tignan natin, be. Kasi, parang hindi siya nakatanggap ng load di ba nagpa-load giveaway ako? So, tignan natin. Hindi sumagot. Ay, late na pala. It's 11 something na ng gabi doon sa Pinas. Hindi sumagot. Wag na nating disturbuhin. So, wag na nating disturbuhin siya. And yun. What the heck are you doing, Han?
Nothing. I got a Seagram. So.
No, that's not nothing. You have 1 box.
Yeah, just she put it in a box so the glass bottles on the crack.
No, I see there's something there.
I got the Seagrams, and I got the vodka, and then they had the wine that we get. Even though I know we have,
Like
but
what?
I use it for cooking too. So
Red
it was-
wine
it was-
or wine?
No, the white one. So it was for $9.99.
Yeah, that's still expensive. You see that? Like it's nothing for
No.
you.
And they had double black, so I got double black. You know, never tell they don't carry it anymore. They said it's too expensive.
Stop.
It took forever. I'm looking all over the place for it because I look at the scotch. I'm looking, and they got all the scotch and no Johnny Walker. So I have no Johnny Walker. That's insane.
You get Johnny Walker too?
Double black, 14.
Oh my god.
Well, you gotta figure a bottle of double black has got to be at least $57 at least. The rye is like $21 for $22, and the wine is $10. So yeah, that's about right.
I'm back.
You are not black.
I said I'm back. Tommy. It's
It's a
racist.
joke.
I am back.
Jokes are not racist. They're jokes. That's a difference.
Okay, so look, I just got what we need. That's it. I told him, I stay in the car, or you stay in the car, I'll go get him. Because or else he'll stay there for hours, he look around and he pick up everything he see and his tongue is all over his mouth. His lips. You do like this one?
That's because my wife don't feed me.
Seriously,
See?
you have food.
See?
Guys,
She said seriously.
our refrigerator is
It's
full of food. Like, oh my god, if you open our refrigerator, you will get tired, you get hungry even without eating. Or you get full without eating. Chicken, we have rice, we have fish, we have a lot of vegetables, we have a lot of mangoes. Like, what I'm gonna do with the mango?
I don't know, you like mangoes.
So now suddenly he keep buying it like I'm a freaking...
So you can give some to class tomorrow.
Run really fast, guys. Guys, and you notice, guys, we're already August. Next month is Tommy's birthday. It's so fast, and I'm gonna be 37 soon.
That'll be 117.
117. And I'm gonna be really 37. And hon, I can't believe it. I still think that I'm 28. I stuck in there.
And most people think you're 16.
16,
yeah.
my ass. Why they said? Why you think that 16?
Seems to be driving okay to me.
No, can't drive. Am I annoying? People think I'm very annoying.
Your readers, your listeners are telling you you're annoying?
I'm annoying to you. Like I annoyed you really bad.
You go out of your way to try and do that sometimes.
But that's who I am. But he doesn't divorce me. He stay with me because why? Because
I
why?
got lots and lots of patience.
Because you don't love me.
I got lots of patience.
And patience and
I love you, but that's why I need the patience.
oh my goodness, my eyes is so bad. It's hurting even just the sun. Oh god. Hello guys, we are back. And now I'm eating some.
You take your stuff out of the car for your throat?
Oh no, it's still there. Okay guys, kain po tayo. Do you want the fish? You like it, right? Yeah. Okay. Do you want some? No. Have hot dog. Do you want me to cook it?
No. What are you wiggling about?
Did Missy eat her food? I don't think so. Hala.
What was that little bug?
Hello guys! Ngayon guys, mag-ano lang ako guys. Magbihis. Punta tayo sa labas. Ang gagawin ko is mag-ano lang tayo. Kunin ko to. Mag-weedwalk. Weedwalk tayo ng sa labas. Kasi para masaya yung buhay. You wanna come up? Come up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Let's go! Let's go! Get going! Get going! Keep going, Roxy. Hello. Katatapos ko lang cut namin tami. At with what, ng oras, 3 something o'clock na. And then nag-start kami, I don't know. Yung ulo ko, sumakit lalo. Sumakit lalo yung ulo ko. Oh, goodness. What are you looking?
Far away.
What you need that for? Oh, that one? Hello, everything. My husband decided to cook some pasta. Even though he is so tired. He's very tired. We're both tired cleaning up the yard. It's time to hire a lawn gardener again. Huh?
No, probably not.
Is that a butter? Huh? Butter and lemon? He cook, cook. Like, there's no food. Tapos na kaming nag-cut ng grass. And ang saya, kasi, ang saya. Asan yung, ko, chinelas ko dito sa loob? Look. What kind of pasta is that?
Fettuccine.
It's flat.
Fettuccine.
It's flat now.
Fun.
I'm having fun, love.
Okay.
As long as you're with me.
Okay.
I love you.
You too.
Why it smells so grassy? It smells so grassy.
Grassy?
Yeah.
Grassy, yes.
Gracias. Gracias, por favor. Is that what it is?
Grassy,
No.
thank you, please.
Is that what it is? Por favor is please?
Yes.
Ah, gracias, please. Thank you, please. What did you make? This is what I deal with, guys. Oh my God. There's a lot of cheese in it.
Yeah. No, make up for the no salt.
Oh my God, there's a lot of cheese. That's gonna kill my throat. But it's good, Han. Han, my throat pain swallowing, Han. It's getting worse, Han.
You taking that stuff?
I will. Thought it's dry, right, Rox? We thought it's dry already. But it's not. But it's not dry. It's still very wet. That's what Dada said, huh? That's what Dada said. Tomorrow morning is Xiao Xiao, huh? You guys Xiao Xiao tomorrow morning. Yes, you are. My baby. My baby. Touch my baby. My baby. Touch my baby. Where is your sister? It's hot out here. Hello guys! It's already 8:19 ng gabi. And magfi-film pa kami ni Tami. May plano kami kasi ang plano namin probably nakikita na ninyo yun. Probably nakikita na ninyo yung video. Ano siya, surprise natin sa mga. So nagtatanong ako sa previous vlog na ilagay ninyo yung mga number, i-comment ninyo kasi may gagawin kami ni Tami. And also, may surprise sa isang matawagan. So, sa isang matawagan, may isusurprise sa kaming isa giveaway. And then, tawagan natin, surprise call sa mga viewers natin na nandito palagi. Galing ako sa labas. Nag-ano lang kami ni Tami Moy, nagtambay-tambay. Hala, yung pusa. May pusa.
Mixed with water or as directed by a health professional.
So you cannot do it yourself. You have to.
No, it says you either put it directly in your mouth or mix it with water. So then you get drink a little. I wouldn't put too much water.
Yeah. Just give me 3 drops. That's it.
Yeah, well.
3 drops, hon, please.
It's tough without a dropper, so.
There's no. No. That will be explode in my mouth.
It doesn't. It's like. So you gotta tap it to get the drop out.
Okay, please be careful.
Yeah. Well, nothing. Really? Nothing.
You have to. That's why you have to take that off.
No, that's.
Where is the dropper that you did to me?
They don't have a dropper.
We just finished filming with the giveaway and calling the people sa YouTube. So yun lang siya. And so yun. So sana napanood ninyo yan, guys. May pa-surprise si Tami na giveaway doon at saka tumawag kami sa mga viewers. Hopefully okay lang. May nagalit. Ay, hindi man nagalit. Parang nakadisturbo kasi kami. Nasa simbahan daw siya. So yun, sorry po. Sorry talaga. Sorry po. And yun. So, ngayon, we have to take some medication because it's already 10 something, guys. Almost 11 na. And late kami natapos sa mga tawag, sa sa tawag. So, kasi di ba dial pa, naghintay pa. So, yun. 3 drops only, ha?
Yeah. That's it.
Sobrang strong nito, guys. Oh, God. It's an oregano oil. It's really strong. It's going to burn your tongue. But I need it because I have this pain. What I feel, my head, my eyes, my ear, and my throat is like, yeah. So, anyway, guys, we're gonna end this vlog because we just finished filming. And this vlog is separated from the other one. And yun, we're just very busy this afternoon cutting the grass. Tami did cut the grass. I weedwhack. And yun, so thank you guys so much for watching. Say good night. Yeah.
Hi
good night,
guys. Have a great day.
See, congratulations to the winner.
I don't remember her name now.
Yeah, congratulations.
Well, congratulations.
Congratulations. Bye. Good night, guys.